guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how much money I made this past month from swing trading in the stock market. We're going to be talking about the strategies I used, pretty much my mindset with it. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. My name is Carter and I've been a full-time swing trader for about 6 years. And honestly, exciting news. We just released a brand new swing trading course where we talk about strategies, how I find stocks, my mindset. It's a one-stop shop for all of your swing trading needs. I'll put it down below. Check it out. We also have an ebook. Check it out down below, guys. Down below, check it out, link down below. All right, guys, let's dive into this. Let's go. Alrighty, so this past month, I made a whopping $4,281 from swing trading in the stock market. And I already know comments and people saying, Carter, oh, that must be an easy way to make money, an easy way to get rich quick. No, swing trading is not easy. It's like a job, it's a career, and you have to treat it like one. And what I mean by this is it's like a doctor trying to become a doctor or an engineer trying to become an engineer. It takes years of practice, hard work, and education. And yes, nowadays you guys can fund an account and start placing trades within the same day. But in order to make money in the long run, you have to develop a strategy. Developing a strategy is honestly, it's a recipe for success. And the best way to do it is to paper trade. Paper trading is using simulated money to develop a strategy and mindset and practice your entries, your exits, risk management skills, and your stop loss. Now, once you guys do that for about 6 months to a year, the next approach I would take is fund an account with about $100. And if you can make $1 or $10 a day or whatever it may be, if you can be profitable with $100, the only thing that's separating you from making more money is just your account size. So slowly grow it, compound it, and you'll be a successful trader before you know it. All right, now that we understand how much money I made, now it's time for the fun part and look at the stocks that I traded. Don't forget to check out my course, but let's dive into this. Alrighty, so we got our broker up and loaded, and I actually use Moomoo. I actually think they're probably the best swing trading and trading platform out there. I'll put them down below. They're fantastic for their charting and scanning. So when evaluating a stock, at least for me to swing trade, some of the things that are very, very important is trends and support and resistance. So looking at this chart here on ticker symbol NVO on a more recent swing trade that we did earlier this past month, you guys will see it has this great upward trend. On top of that, it loves to hit this 90-day moving average line. You guys will see it hits it several times, once and recently twice. As we zoom out, you guys can see it does hit it in the past several times, establishing very, very hard support for this stock. So for me, what I did is I hopped in near and around $95. The reason why, heavy support, setting stop loss at 93, risking about $2 to possibly have this to come up to resistance at about 105 to about 102. So I'm virtually risking $2 to possibly make upwards of $7, $8, which is an absolute fantastic risk and reward ratio. So you guys will see I hopped in, near and around this 95 mark, and it soon rebounded all the way back up to about 105. Now for me, what I did is I just sold my shares at about 102, right at that resistance. Very, very happy with that trade. Yes, I could have done a trailing stop, but I didn't. For me, I've never lost money taking profit, so I would rather just take profit and sit on the sidelines and be happy with this trade. And that's exactly what happened. It is actually starting to use that old resistance as some new support recently. You guys will see it's kind of consolidating at that resistance. So new support could be forming for this stock. So maybe some possible trades very, very, very soon. Another stock here was ticker symbol LI Auto. You guys will see that it loves to use that 200-day moving average line. So pretty much that red line here, right on support. You guys will see it hits it once and then hits it again. I hopped in near and around 33. I actually continue to hold, because I didn't get the absolute best fill, to be honest. We did get a little bit of some sell-off when I bought into it, but it soon rebounded within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. This thing was hitting, $38 a share. Then what I always do is I set my stop loss pretty much below recent support. So you guys will see it does have some support at 31. So I did risk about $2 to possibly make, upwards of $4. So that's like a 2-to-1 risk and reward. Sold my shares near and around that 90-day moving average line. What I honestly thought it was going to use it as resistance like it's done in the past, but actually we did get a little buying pressure to squeeze up, form that doji, which is a reversal candle, and we did get some sell off here. Another one here that we were trading, this is more of a more recent swing trade here that we are in, is ticker symbol NR. You guys will see it has heavy support at about $6.59. And what I think is going to happen is we're going to get some buying pressure up to at least 720. Setting stop loss near and around pretty much 640 to 639. So I'm risking, 20, 30 cents to possibly make, almost $1, which is a great risk and reward, almost a 5-to-1. The thing about these trades, guys, is yes, they could happen. That's why it's always smart to have very solid risk management. So you have that stop loss preset. You understand that. Now you don't have to set it like with Mumu, in the order, but you can, just set an alert or just be mindful of it here. Another stock that we traded here, you guys know, was ticker symbol XPEV. Heavy support near and around 1380. You guys will see we hopped in near and around this 1387. This thing squeezed up about 8% in a single day. We did sell our shares then. We made a good chunk of change in a single day. 8% in a single day is a pretty solid day, especially for day trading or for swing trading. It reminded me of my day trading days when I used to day trade a lot. But I love swing trading. It's by far the best trading in my opinion. We did have a good day today, up 1.35%, but it does have heavy support. We understand that, setting stops below this line at about 1280, risking about, I would say, about 50 cents to possibly make upwards of $1 to $2. So it's about a 2-to-1 risk and reward, which is great here. Another stock was ticker symbol UROY. This one here, you guys will see, I did trade a couple of times. We did make money on this one where it popped up from $2.63 up to resistance at about 270. Sold back down. We honestly were looking to possibly hop back in on this on that 200-day moving average line. We'll see what happens if I end up doing that. One of the things I don't like is just this massive sell-off we've seen in the past couple of months with this. So we could have, a possible breakout of support, but we'll see what happens. Another stock you guys know is Palantir. Heavy support on that 90-day moving average line, curled up to about almost $19 a share. It's slowly been stair-stepping its way down. We will probably look at a trade on that 200-day moving average line, which it's used support in the past. So this would be the next trade at about 15.20 for Palantir, but we did trade it on the 90-day moving average line. Last one here was on Disney. Disney here, the reason why I love it, heavy support near and around that 200-day moving average line, right? Hits it once, we got buying pressure, twice buying pressure, resistance at about 94 to 96. On top of that, you guys will see it's starting to get a little more buying pressure, so we could have a move back from 91 to about $93. That would be a decent swing trade as well, but I am holding Disney for a while. I hopped in, honestly, near and around $81. The reason why this is more of a long-term swing trade is because of this right here. We have tendencies of it using the 90 and 200-day moving average lines in the past as support. So I hopped in near and around this $82 mark, near and around that 90-day moving average line, setting stops below 70, so I'm risking about $12 to possibly have this go up to about 108 to about 150, which is a great risk and reward, about 1 to 5 or 1 to 1 risk and reward if we sell it at the first profit here, but we'll see what happens. It was an absolutely great month of trading. I loved it. If you guys have any questions about any of the stocks I traded, let me know down in the comments. And if you guys want to learn how I swing trade, check out my course. We talk about how I find these stocks and all that good stuff. So we'll see you guys later. So guys, that is it. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my course down below and my brand new ebook. I'll put it down below so you guys can check it out. But we'll see you guys later. Hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.